Welcome to Cat Scrappiness. My name is Dalise, but you might know me as Damper Girl. Today, we are introducing the new A2 Qbert Quilt Die.
It is an A2 size die, which means it cuts 5.5 by 4.25, and it creates this beautiful border stitch and a frame, but the frame is not detached after you passed it, and you get this beautiful embossing. I did it on very thick vellum so you could see easier the beautiful effect that you have. So it does that deboss, but if you wanted the emboss look, which is the other side, all you need to do is get your stitching. You can do it with your stylus, but you could just go through your stitching and do a little bit of pressure, and then they won't be raised, and you can use them like this. You could also cut this frame out or cut even tags out of this beautiful deboss or emboss look. Again, this is a full A2, so it's 4.25 by 5.5. Here is a view of the cover plate. Again, it cuts the border of the frame, the stitching, and all the other details are embossed, including this part of the frame. One tip that I do have for you is when your piece comes out of the cutting machine, they all kept stayed a little bit stuck in there. So what I did is I got my pokey tool, and we got 4 corners. Just poke the 4 corners and it releases easily. Okay,
Remember, don't leave your crafting for tomorrow. Start today.